Hi students. In previous class we started relative motion. In that we discuss equations of motion which are useful in relative motion, relative velocity and relative acceleration. In today class we discuss relative velocity and relative acceleration in different cases. We know velocity formula, relative velocity. Relative velocity, velocity of the A with respect to B is equal to, we know formula. Velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A minus velocity of B. Relative acceleration, acceleration of A with respect to B is equal to acceleration of A with respect to B is equal to acceleration of A minus acceleration of B. Now suppose come to this point, velocity. You take two cars, car A and car B. Both cars are traveling towards east with a velocity. One is 20 meter per second and another one is 30 meter per second. Suppose car A is moving with a speed of 20 meter per second. Car B is also moving on the same straight line in same direction. Velocity of the car B is taken as 30 meter per second. Here we find velocity of A with respect to B and velocity of the B with respect to A. First, velocity of the A with respect to B is equal to, from this formula, velocity of A minus velocity of the B. Since at 20 meter per second it is traveling towards east. Unit vector along east is taken as I cap. Unit vector along west is taken as minus I cap. Unit vector along north is taken as j cap and south is taken as minus j cap. Okay, ma? Unit vectors along east is taken as I cap. Unit vector along north is taken as j cap. Unit vector along west is taken as minus I cap. Unit vector along south is taken as minus j cap. Vertically upward is taken as k cap. Downward is taken as minus k cap. Here car A and car B both are moving towards east. So velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of the A 20 and its direction is towards east. Take it as I cap, 20 I cap minus formula minus car B, velocity of the car B. Velocity of the car B is 30 meter per second. It is also in east. Take it as plus I cap. 20 I cap minus 30 I cap. That is equal to minus 10 I cap. We will get 10 I cap meter per second. Sir, minus 10 I cap meter per second means car B is moving towards west with respect to the car B with a speed 10 meter per second. Here meaning is car B moving towards west with a speed 10 meter per second, because here this negative I cap indicates the direction. Minus I cap is towards west. So velocity of the A with respect to B is 10 meter per second towards west. Here magnitude of velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. Velocity of A with respect to B, its magnitude is equal to just 10 meter per second and its direction is towards west. Direction towards west. In same manner, velocity of the B with respect to A, velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to velocity of B minus velocity of the A. So B is towards east, A is also towards east. Velocity of the B, take it as 30 meter per second. So 30 I cap, and velocity of the A is 20 I cap. Then this resultant velocity is equal to 10 I cap meter per second. Resultant velocity 10 I cap meter per second. That means car B is moving towards east with a speed 10 meter per second with respect to car A. So magnitude of velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to, magnitudes are same, velocity of the A with respect to B and velocity of the B with respect to A, 10 meter per second, direction towards east. If you use in vector notation, easily you can get the direction also. Otherwise, it is difficult to find the direction. Okay. Velocity of A with respect to B is equal to 10 meter per second towards west. Velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to 10 meter per second towards east. This is magnitude and this one is the direction. Next case. Car A and car B both are moving with the same speed, but car B is moving towards west and car A is moving towards east. In this case, velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of the A minus velocity of the B. Velocity of the A 20. It is traveling towards east. That's why 20 I cap formula minus, but car B is moving towards west. So take it as minus 30 I cap, opposite direction to east. Take it as opposite, minus. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 20 I cap plus 30 I cap, that is equal to 50 I cap meter per second is the answer. But magnitude of velocity with respect to B is equal to, magnitude of velocity of A with respect to B is equal to 50 meter per second. Here I cap gives the direction. What is the direction? Here we got positive plus I cap. Plus I cap indicates the car is traveling towards east. For person who is sitting in B, for him the speed of the car A appears 50 meter per second and it is moving with A towards east. In same, velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to, velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to velocity of the B minus velocity of the A. We know velocity of the B is equal to minus 30 I cap minus 30 I cap, formula minus velocity of A is equal to 20 I cap. So 20 I cap, that is equal to minus 50 I cap is the answer. 50 I cap meter per second. That means car B is moving towards west with a speed of 50 meter per second with respect to car A. Speed of the car B is 50 meter per second. Consider the magnitude. Magnitude of velocity of B with respect to A is equal to 50 meter per second. What about direction? Direction is towards west. Or what about 30 meter per second? 30 meter per second for the ground observer. Okay, Andy. 50 meter per second for the observer who is sitting in a car A. So that's why this is said to be a relative velocity. Relative. One person gives one value with respect to another person comes another answer. So with respect to person A or with respect to car A, velocity of the car B is 50 meter per second. With respect to ground observer, velocity of the car B is 30 meter per second. In next case, both cars are traveling perpendicular directions. Suppose car A is moving in this direction with a velocity 40 meter per second, and car B is moving towards north with a velocity of 30 meter per second. What is the resultant relative velocity? In this case, velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A, VA, that is equal to 40 I cap. It is traveling towards east, minus it is traveling towards north, that is J cap. 30 I cap minus 40 I cap minus 30 J cap. That is velocity of A with respect to B in vector rotation. But we want magnitude of velocity of A with respect to B. Magnitude of velocity of A with respect to B is equal to under root of 40 square plus 30 square. 40 square plus 30 square, you will get under root of 2500. If you simplify, then you get to 50 meter per second. We got magnitude. What is the result direction? Okay, Randy. Here, to get the direction, we know parallelogram law of vector addition, triangle law of vector addition, polygon law of vector addition. In that triangle law of vector addition, what is triangle law of vector addition? Two vectors are taken as two sides of a triangle taken in the order. The resultant of these two vectors is given by the closing side of the triangle, but in a reverse order. This is the closing side. Here two vectors. You take, this is one vector, this is another vector. This one is taken as a resultant of those two vectors. Resultant, this vector is taken as C bar. One is taken as A bar and another one is taken as B bar. The resultant of A bar and B bar is given by the closing side. So here A bar plus B bar is equal to C bar. But in this case, we want VA minus VB. How to get VA minus VB? To get the negative vector, you reverse B bar. If you reverse the B bar, then you get a negative vector of B bar. This is minus B bar. If you reverse the direction, then you get a B bar. Here A bar and B bar. The resultant of these two vectors is given by closing side but in a reverse direction. This is the closing side but in a reverse direction we are taking. According to that law, sum of these two, A bar plus of minus B bar is equal to this closing vector C bar. From this we can write A bar minus B bar is equal to C bar. In similar manner, here also we get the resultant velocity. Here resultant velocity, to get the resultant velocity, you reverse the direction of VB. This is the direction of VA. You reverse the direction of VB. Then you get minus VB is in this direction, VA is in this direction. The closing side of these two vectors is given by the resultant of these two vectors, but in a reverse direction. This is the closing side of these two vectors. Now this is resultant velocity of A with respect to B. Now we want to calculate angle made by the resultant with VA. Suppose the angle made by the resultant with VA is taken as alpha. Angle made by the resultant VAB, making an angle with alpha with VA. So then we can write tan alpha is equal to, we know formula. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is VB. So VB by VA. By using this formula, we can get the angle made by the resultant with VA. Tan alpha is equal to VB by VA. Here you consider only magnitude of velocity of B and magnitude of velocity of A. From this, alpha is equal to tan inverse of VB by VA we will get. But sometimes they are asking northeast, like they are asking what is the direction? Alpha. Suppose here, if you observe here, the resultant of VAB is in the direction of, okay, so VB is acting like this, VA is in this direction, the resultant vector is in this direction. Sir, here resultant vector is making an angle alpha with east. So this angle alpha is called making east. So that's why I call it as a south of east. This angle alpha south of east. Now if you observe here VA, there is no change in the initial and final direction. So that's why VA you keep same direction east, but VB we reverse the direction. Reverse direction means opposite to north, that is equal to south. So resultant answer is south of east. Okay, Randy. VA direction does not changes. That's why keep it as it is. VB we reverse the direction of VB. That's why resultant is south of east. Alpha tan inverse of VB by VA south of east is correct answer. We find velocity of the B with respect to A. Velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to velocity of the B minus velocity of A. Velocity of the B is 30 meter per second. So 30 J cap, formula minus velocity of the A is 40 I cap. So minus 40 I cap we can write. Magnitude of velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VBA is equal to under root of 30 square plus 40 square. Square plus 40 is equal to root over 2500. Then you get 50 meter per second. Velocity of the B with respect to A is 50 meter per second in magnitude. What about direction? Sir, here to get the direction of VBA, here VB minus VA. That's why we are reversing the direction of the VA. If you reverse the direction, then you get VA like this. This is the VA direction, minus VA direction, minus VA. And VB is acting vertically upward direction. So VB is acting vertically upward direction, take it as vertically upward. This is VB. Sir, here any vector slide parallel to itself, it does not changes. You may get a doubt. Sir, if you reverse the direction of VA, then you get like this. Actually, it is correct. Minus VA and VB is like this. But if you move this from here to here, any vector slide parallel to itself, it does not changes. So I am keeping here. Then the resultant velocity VBA given by the closing side of the triangle, but in a reverse direction. So this vector gives the velocity of the B with respect to A. This one gives velocity of the B with respect to A. Velocity of the B with respect to A. Now this VBA making an angle beta with VB. Suppose here it making an angle beta with VB. So the angle tan beta is equal to VA by VB we can write. VA by VB. What about resultant direction? Resultant direction from this, first you write beta. Beta is equal to tan inverse of VA by VB. Tan inverse of VA by VB. Here direction. It is in north. It is in west. So here angle is west of north. Beta west of north we can write. Suppose the resultant vector VBA making an angle alpha with VA, then we can write tan alpha is equal to VB by VA we can write. VB by VA we can write. That is the, okay. So if suppose two vectors are VA and VB making certain angle, they are traveling in different directions, but angle between VA and VB is taken as theta. Then how to get VAB? So in this condition, velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A with respect to B is equal to same formula VA minus VB. But how to get magnitude of velocity? Magnitude of velocity in this condition, VAB is equal to VAB or VBA is equal to formula under root of velocity of A square plus velocity of the B square minus 2 into VA into VB. By using this formula VB cos theta, using this formula we can get a resultant magnitude. V if two vectors are making an angle theta, then the resultant velocity of A with respect to B or velocity of the B with respect to A is equal to under root of VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos theta. But how to get direction? To get the direction, the resultant or the VAB, we use this formula. Tan alpha is equal to, where alpha is angle made by the relative velocity of A with respect to B, with VA, tan alpha is equal to VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. Using this formula, we can get the resultant direction. VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. So here, this resultant making an angle with VA. This is the formula to find the resultant direction and magnitude of relative velocity if they are making certain angle.